Alright, so we're back after some repairs. Just a couple days later. I went to the hobby shop. Didn't have exactly what I needed, so we had to order some parts and I had to run to the hardware store. For now, in the rear, we got some E-clips in there. Hopefully those will hold well. And in the front, they didn't have any option at all, so we just had to go with a standard bolt and lock nut. Well, we'll see how those hold up. And we got the regular red body on today. This truck actually started as a regular Rustler 4x4 and I upgraded it to the VXL. We upgraded the differentials, upgraded the drive shaft, upgraded the slipper clutch, as well obviously as the motor and ESC. It's also got some aluminum parts in there in the front and rear, and it also has the aluminum motor mount as well. So we'll have some fun with this today. Alright, here we go. On a baseball diamond today. Very dusty dirt we've got here. I've driven this car mostly on concrete. As you can tell, the tires are quite worn. I'm gonna have to get some new ones soon. Most likely the Proline Badlands MX-28s. And over we go. The self-riding never quite worked with this car. See if she does today. Oh, guess not. It's not quite big enough to launch off of. Oh, gonna have to watch out for this thing. Look at that. What is that? Sprinkler head? Ugh, hitting that would not be fun. Let's see what we can do on the concrete. That's a goose poop everywhere. It's everywhere. Nope, no jumping. Not off of there, at least. Although, maybe. Nope, not off of there either. So there's nothing really too exciting in this video today. No jumps, too many people over on that side of the park. So just gonna be running around on grass Mostly just to test things, see if it's going to hold up under all the bumps and whatnot. Dodging goose poop as we go. So I'm still struggling to find a spot with some jumps around this area. Probably going to purchase the Fortec 2.0 VXL next, because there's tons of concrete parking lots around here. Just nothing with some jumps. So maybe we'll get that and do some speed runs and some drifting, and maybe get a little more excitement out of that until we find some places with good jumps around here. One park I have to go check out, but I don't know if they allow RCs, so we'll have to go and find out. Okay, found a place we could do a little backflip, at least. Haven't really stuck the landing quite yet, but we'll see how this one goes. Ha! Oh, that was a bad one. Ugh, another bad one. Maybe we should stop before I kill something. Or, maybe, what did we bust? Oh, maybe nothing. Maybe everything. Battery's out. Okay, so the battery just came undone. One of the fans, we cracked the housing and the blade stopped moving, but we just bent that back, and that's fine now. We'll give it one or two more goes and we'll call it on that before we break everything. Woo, almost a double. All right, one more. There we go. Now I'm getting used to this. Too much, bad landing. Oof, All right, this is battery number 2. First battery, we got to about 160 degrees on the motor, We're starting this one at 123 degrees on the motor. We'll see how hot she gets. Load the poo. Oh. End of the run, no damages. Screws haven't come out, everything looks good. Nuts are still in place. Screws haven't moved, you probably can't see those. And the C-clips haven't come off, E-clips have not come off the back. Everything's looking good. Successful repair. Oh, look at that. Didn't even have the body in right. Anyway, we're going to end the video here. I don't want to keep it too long. I'm going to keep it nice and short. So, have a good day, everybody.